Hello guys, today I am gonna teaching you about the relationship between the circumference and the diameter of a circle, right? So consider it in a way that we have a circle whose diameter is 3.6, right? And now we are rolling it to find its circumference. Circumference is the outer boundary, right? So this skin color line is the boundary of this circle. So the calculation or the length of this boundary is 11.3. Okay. So what I'm teaching you right now is that there is a relationship between diameter and the circumference of a circle that is a very unique relationship. uh, Scientists found that the relationship between diameter and circumference is unique in such a way that whatever the diameter may be, the circumference is always almost three times of the diameter, right? Consider in this way. Look into the animation. When we are moving it, this is the first turn, this is second, and this is third turn, right? And the circumference is a little more than three times of the diameter, right? So this length is actually known as the pi, right? This length is known as pi, the value of pi. Now look into uh, this calculator, and when we divide 11.3 by 3.6, which is equal to 3.13888, so we can round off the 3 to make it 3.14, right? And this is the value of pi, 3.14. And this is true for each and every circle that you can make, right? This is the proof of this. So whatever the diameter may be, whatever the circumference may be, their ratio is always 3.14. Got it? Let's prove it, right? Now we are changing the diameter, and now and then again find. Suppose we are having a diameter of 2.5, right? And now we are opening its circumference, and the circumference, its value is 7.9. And now look into the calculator. We are dividing 7.9 by 2.5. Sorry, it's 2.5, right? Which is equal to 3.16. So it is nearly equal to the value of pi, that is 3.14. Why we are getting 3.16 is because the circumference is not actually the correct, right? Is not actually the correct value. It is a So why we are getting an answer that is nearly equal to 3.16 is because this circumference, the value of this circumference is not exact. And if we get the exact value of the circumference, then the value of this pi will be exactly 3.14, right? So this is the reason why we always find a pi when there is any circle. If you look into the formula of circle, you always find a pi. This is the reason why there is always a pi with circle.